Hey guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. In this video, I want to give you like an introduction and overview to our Viewtron DVRs. And I'm referring to our Viewtron hybrid BNC DVRs, not the IP camera NVRs. So just some quick terminology here. DVR stands for digital video recorder and usually refers to BNC cameras that run over coax cable, like the old legacy CCTV cameras. And NVR stands for network video recorder, and that usually refers to pure IP camera systems, cameras that run over Cat5e or network Cat6 cable. In this video, I'm going to be talking about our hybrid BNC DVRs. So first off, Viewtron is CCTV Camera Pros product line. So CCTV Camera Pros is the founder and exclusive supplier of Viewtron video surveillance equipment, including the DVRs that I'm talking about in this video. So my name is Mike Haldas. I've been doing the product research and development for the company that Greg and I co-founded 18 years ago. And I can tell you with absolute certainty that Viewtron is the best product line we have ever carried. That's why we put our own brand on it. And that's why we stand behind it and exclusively sell it at this point. I mean, it's really taken over almost all of our sales at this point because it's that good. All of our Viewtron products are NDAA compliant, which means they're approved for government purchased. They're manufactured by our manufacturing partner that is approved by the National Defense Authorization Act. So we sell it for residential, commercial, and government use. So our Viewtron hybrid BNC DVRs, why are they so great? Number one, they're compatible with just about any type of BNC security camera out there. So you can use all of the BNC ports on these DVRs with legacy analog CCTV cameras like the old CIF D1 resolution or 968 resolution. They work with all the old analog video signals, but they also work with the latest HD-over-Coax formats, including HD-TVI, AHD, and HD-CVI, and all the resolutions, 1 megapixel, 2 megapixel resolution or 1080p, that's the same thing, 3 megapixel, 4 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and even 8 megapixel, also known as 4K resolution BNC cameras. So this is great for people that have a legacy CCTV camera system, but they have good RG59 coax in place and they want to start upgrading their old low definition CCTV cameras to the latest HD-over-Coax. You can leave your existing analog BNC cameras in place and one by one, or however you see fit, upgrade to, we recommend either the 4 megapixel or the 4K resolution Viewtron BNC cameras. You can upgrade to those over time. So to be clear, you can have legacy analog cameras hooked up to some of the BNC ports, and then the latest HD-over-Coax 4K resolution cameras hooked up to some of the other ports. Another thing that makes our Viewtron DVR so great is they also work with IP cameras. So you can also have a mix of coax CCTV cameras and IP cameras on the same system. So you have to connect the IP cameras to an external network switch, and the DVR has to be on that same network as that switch. And then there's a search feature in the DVR to just search the network for IP cameras, and you can add those. So for example, our 4-channel DVR supports 2 IP cameras. So you can have 4 BNC cameras and 2 IP. So it really makes it a 6-channel DVR. The 8-channel BNC DVR supports 8 IP cameras on top of the BNC ports. So it's really a 16-channel. And the 16-channel DVR also supports 8 IP cameras, so it's really a 24-channel DVR. In addition, you can disable some of the BNC ports if you need additional IP cameras. So for example, let's say you have a 4-channel DVR with 2 IP cameras on it already, and you want a third IP camera, you could designate BNC port 4, for example, to be IP. So it would disable that BNC port, and then you can search for an additional IP camera on the network. Again, there's no PoE ports on these DVRs, so you have to use an external network switch. And if you do eventually want to go all IP, at that point we recommend getting the pure IP camera NVRs, because there's some additional features you could take advantage of. The NVRs do have PoE ports where you can connect the cameras over Cat5e cable directly to the NVR, and it powers them. And in addition, the Viewtron NVRs support the Viewtron IP cameras that have AI software, which I have a bunch of videos that go over that in detail, but there's huge advantages to the AI software of the Viewtron AI cameras. Now, there is a really cool feature for BNC cameras on the Viewtron DVRs. It's called smart motion detection. So if you've used motion detection on a existing CCTV DVR, you'll know that it's prone to a lot of false positives. So especially in an outdoor environment, shadows, animals, trees blowing in the wind can all trigger the motion detection on all DVRs out there. Viewtron has smart motion detection where you can designate if the motion detection is looking for humans and or vehicles, and the false positives go way down. It's very accurate. So if you only want humans detected in a certain area, you're not going to get false alarms from shadows and trees blowing in the wind and night vision, IR night vision noise like you do with traditional motion detection. The Viewtron Smart Motion Detection is a huge game changer. Our customers absolutely love it. Now, the team at CCTV Camera Pros can assist you whether you're looking for just a replacement DVR for your system, or even just a replacement camera, or if you need a whole system designed, or if you need help thinking through, is it time to upgrade your whole system, or should you just replace the DVR? We help customers based on their own budget constraints and as well as their long-term goals, helping them think through when it's time to upgrade just certain pieces of equipment, or when it's time to scrap the whole thing and maybe upgrade to an IP camera system. We can help you think through that. We have free consultations and we provide free quotes. And this applies to small systems for residential, even 1-2 camera systems if you need it. And then we design huge systems for enterprise and government, consisting of multiple buildings and even multiple locations, where you need to bring those all together and view them all centrally through the Viewtron VMS software that we provide for free. In addition, the Viewtron mobile apps for iPhone and Android are excellent, and they work with the Viewtron DVRs, Viewtron NVRs, and IP cameras. It's the same app to connect to all the Viewtron security camera devices. Guys, we are the direct supplier of Viewtron. Viewtron is our brand. You deal with us for everything, for the software downloads, for tech support, for customer service, and for any warranty information. You're dealing with me and Greg's team. We're all located here in South Florida in West Palm Beach. You're not dealing with anyone overseas. You always deal directly with us. We are the manufacturer of the Viewtron brand. I highly encourage you to check out our Better Business Bureau rating. We've had an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau for over 10 years. And our online reseller ratings, we use reseller ratings, so we use a third-party service for our reviews. We have a 5-star rating online, again, going back more than a decade. We take customer service and tech support extremely serious. Guys, if you want to learn more about this stuff, first of all, you can email me anytime. I can be reached directly at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. If you want to learn more about Viewtron DVRs as well as the BNC cameras that we supply, and we have 1080p, 4 megapixel, and 4K resolution BNC cameras. As long as you have good cable in place, you can upgrade your old system to the latest and greatest, and we can help you assess that upgrade path. You can reach out to me anytime. I can be reached via email at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. If you want to learn more about our Viewtron DVRs and all the Viewtron product line, including our AI cameras, our license plate recognition cameras, facial recognition cameras, and all the accessories that we supply, you can fill out a form for a free consultation and quote. You can do all of that at www.viewtron.com. Thank you for watching.